Hi there, in this video you will be learning an amazing takeover or a makeover of an onion bhaji. We're making with leek, Savoy cabbage, onion and potatoes. So turn into amazing bhaji with all English vegetable. Thank you. Alright, so in this video I'll be showing how to make onion bhaji, but this time we're using some nice Savoy cabbage, that's English cabbage, onion, leeks, a bit of green chili and potato I'll be using, and then the spices what I'm going to put I'll be showing you one by one. Okay, so nice cabbage, I'm going to use the leaves. So for prepping the cabbage, you just take out the leaves and then keep the stem on the side. So we don't going to use the stem in the sense of the hard veins, what I'm saying. So for making the onion bhaji, English cabbage, that's a Savoy cabbage, so I shred it very fine, you can see. So put everything here, and now I got the onions. Now add in some sliced potatoes, now some sliced leeks. Okay, now green chili, I used 2 green chilies finely sliced. Now some crushed fennel, just crushed it in the mortar and pestle, mix it, and now we're adding the powdered spices. So now the powdered spices, before that I'm adding 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon, Hing or Asafoetida, 1/4 teaspoon. Okay, now adding the salt, 1 teaspoon should be enough. Now mix it. After mixing, I'll be leaving it for a good 30 minutes. So all the water comes out, and then it's easy to put the flour. The flour we're adding is gram flour, and then some more rice flour I'm adding. So after 30 minutes, you can see really, it start leaving the water. Now I'll be adding gram flour, so around 3 tablespoons. We can add after. 1 tablespoon of rice flour. Mix it first, then if you want it more, you can add later. So I'm just adding 1 more tablespoon of gram flour. So now to fry, make a small balls of the vegetable mixture with this. Don't press it tight because it doesn't cook inside, and slightly flatten it. Okay, and then drop in the oil and repeat the process. Be careful because it has water. So now it's ready. Just take one by one. Keep it in a kitchen towel so the oil gets drained and then completely dry. So once the oil is, just switch it off, and I slice some more leeks, mix it with a bit of corn flour, and then fried it. This is I'll be using for garnish on top of the pakoras. So now the pakora is ready. All is ready to plate. Take a nice snack bowl. And I'm using, you can use a butter paper or a brown paper. So any oil is there, it gets absorbed there. Just put some nice crispy ones, good enough for a portion, a nice bar snacks. So now dust it with chaat masala, and I'm putting some tamarind chutney on the top, fried leeks, and then for an extra kick, a bit of red chili, a few pieces of mint, and the fried snacks, it goes very well. And okay, try it, it's ready. Try it at home, and even you can use it at the restaurants.